Bombay, Aurangabad, Ahmedabad, कहीं से भी bet करो, eBay will make sure you get a chance to spend that 1 hour with me. And I need all the company I can get on that particular day. Each person counts. Each person out of their house over there means less energy being used for that hour any which ways. So it's part of a very big design and a small.
Hi Arjun.
Hi.
अर्जुन, जब इस इनिशिएटिव के लिए आपको अप्रोच किया गया था, क्या उससे पहले कभी आपने सोचा था ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए या और किसी कॉज के लिए आपके जहन में आया which you wanted to do?
जी, जहन में बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं और बहुत सारे ख्याल आते हैं, बट मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं जो इस तरह के स्केल पे होंगे, जहाँ पे आपको पता है कि आप जो हर बार आप बाहर निकल के कुछ बोलोगे तो उसका फायदा भरपूर लोगों को होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर आर thousands of houses in the Sundarbans. One bid, one person bidding. सोचिए एक सोलर पैनल लगेगा तो कितने लोगों के घर जेन्युइनली रोशनी से भर सकते हैं, कितने बच्चे पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं और कितने बच्चे शेर से रात को डरेंगे नहीं और चैन की नींद सो सकते हैं. So it has to come together in the correct way also. We as our generation and this profession allows us to be influential in many ways. In a good way, you want to step out and do the best thing possible to influence people. I think this was something that made complete sense last year also when it happened. I didn't think that they would come back, and that's why I'm overwhelmed. I genuinely didn't anticipate that, and that's what I asked her today upstairs. I said, was it that successful the last time? And they said yes, because there's a certain amount of traction they got from you guys. That is very important as well. The media also stood up and took notice. It's the first time they had somebody at this age group doing it. And obviously social media helps. The fact that I want to do more than just an hour. I want to be able to do things every couple of months, every couple of weeks in my own small way to keep continuing. So it just has to create awareness, and I'm very willing to go to any extent. I think with this organization, they have the same kind of vision in mind. It's not just the charity aspect. It's about educating people. It's about also what I spoke to him today was there are a lot of job opportunities available. A lot of people are not aware that it's not just a charity. It's a genuine organization, and that's what I've been harping on. Is because I feel there's a lot of potential within WWF for people to come and work. People who are fond of wildlife. People who are fond of doing something for the environment. People who are studying towards helping the environment. This is a huge stepping stone for the younger generation to start out. So at a lot of levels, it made a lot of sense to me. And that's why I'm very, very honored and happy to be here for this reason.
Arjun, hi. Just like you said, the last time you were on stage, you had to face does it concern you now, considering, do you think that there is a lack of sense of humor in this country? Or does it affect you now when you take up something like this?
मेरे पास माइक है, वो पूछ रहा ना पूछते आप लोग मिली भगत करके जॉइंट क्वेश्चन पूछते. I couldn't hear your question because he said something. You're saying I'm worried that India has a sense of humor or not?
No, I mean when you try and get out and do something what you want to, and you have this sort of a response, does it kind of bother you to just go out and?
I genuinely feel. In a democracy, everybody is allowed to have a point of view. You're nothing without a point of view and an opinion. You must share it, you must bring it up, you must talk, you must be open to it. And things are up for debate all the time. As an actor, as an artist, that also was done for a charitable cause. People tend to overlook that aspect of that event that happened. And that was the most important fundamental aspect of doing that. I don't think people have lost their sense of humor, and I think you guys are partially responsible for being able to kind of have both sides of the coin presented in a very even form. I must give credit where it's due to the media also. That's a very important aspect because there are a lot of voices and they've been allowed to be heard because of the media coming on, a lot of articles written. So I don't agree that India has lost its sense of humor. I think it's still very much there. And it'll continue here. I don't think that's going to change. It's good to have opinions and point of views. I completely respect that.
Arjun, अभी मैच जीते हैं. Are you a cricket fan? And I just wanted to know, do you have any particular टोटका whenever you watch India के matches या cricket देखते हैं तो आप कभी कुछ follow करते हैं?
जो टाइमिंग पे मैच हो रहे हैं मैं अपने बिस्तर में देख पाता हूँ because of how early they are. I'm not super. You're asking about superstition in that sense.
Yeah.
यार ऑब्वियसली वो जब मैच देख रहे हो तो कुछ होता है और आप हिलते नहीं हो कुछ देर के लिए, वो हर इंसान में होता है. I think even the cricketers that are playing, if they're sitting in the dressing room, they also won't move from a particular position if the batsman is playing well, who's there. But ऐसे कोई खास मुझे याद नहीं. मुझे ये याद है जब इंडिया में आमिर सोहेल को जब वेंकटेश प्रसाद ने बोल्ड किया था, उसके पहले मैं आधा घंटा एक ही पोजीशन में बैठा था. पाकिस्तान रन मारे जा रही थी. ऐसा नहीं कुछ अच्छा होगा. मैं बिस्तर के कोने पे जाकर बैठा हुआ था, मैं हिला नहीं था. फिर वेंकटेश प्रसाद got him out and that was a huge moment I remember in that World Cup. तभी मैं बच्चा था. That moment has stayed with me because I was in one corner throughout the evening watching the match. So in this World Cup I've been sitting in my bed. Sorry to disappoint.
What do you think about today's match? Do you think India will bring back the cup?
Match खत्म हो गया.
हाँ,
but clearly we've said we won't give it back, so we won't give it back. I think when Indians decide something, they're very, very stubborn about it. So I'm very, very certain that we won't give it back. आप 3 घर से माइक लेके आए थे? अच्छा नहीं, मुझे लगा जो माइक घर से लेके आए सिर्फ वो सवाल पूछे. हाँ? I thought only the people that have got their own mics are allowed to ask questions. This is just because मैंने अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी है ये बोल के.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. वैसे आप काफी मीडिया फ्रेंडली हैं. आप प्रमोशन के दौरान आप अच्छे से मिलते हैं, लेकिन AIB के बाद से आप काफी, मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि आप पास नहीं कर रहे थे, बाइट्स नहीं दे रहे थे, अवॉइड कर रहे थे. आप बदलापुर के भी स्क्रीनिंग पर आए थे, लेकिन वहाँ पे भी आपने बाइट नहीं दी.
स्क्रीनिंग पे नहीं, मैं
सक्सेस पार्टी.
मैंने पीछे से चिल्लाया था, ये रघु हिट पिक्चर दे लिया है, और मैं निकल गया.
लेकिन आप मीडिया को इंटरैक्ट क्यों नहीं करते?
देखिए, बदलापुर के सक्सेस पे जिन लोगों ने बदलापुर पे काम किया है उनकी चर्चा होनी चाहिए. आई डोंट लाइक टू टेक अवे एंड स्टील पीपल्स थंडर. इट इज Varun's moment, it was Dino's moment, it was all the other artists that have worked on the film. I was there to support my friend, like I've always been there. उसके पहले मैं आयुष्मान को मिलने भी गया था जब धर्मनगर की आयशा उसी दिन लगी थी. मुझे मीडिया से परहेज बिल्कुल नहीं है. आज आप सबके सामने बैठ रहा हूँ, तो आई थिंक इट्स अ प्राइम एग्जांपल. फिल्म फेयर के लिए मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा था, उस दिन रेड कार्पेट उल्टी तरफ था, मैं बैक स्टेज था तो मिल नहीं पाया. जीमा में मैं रिहर्सल उसी दिन करने पहुंचा बिकॉज आई गॉट फाइनलाइज्ड फॉर द इवेंट दैट डे. तो मैं फिर से रेड कार्पेट नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि मैं पीछे बैक स्टेज था. मुझे कोई ऐसा वो नहीं है कि मैं बात नहीं करना चाहूँगा. जी सही बात है, जब एक चीज होती है जो इतने लोग चर्चा करते हैं, you already done what you've done. You cannot keep harping on it and explaining yourself. And everybody takes time to put perspective on everything, you know. So it's good to give it some time. And I'm out here, so मैं आज भी आपके सामने हूँ. मैं ना फोटो देने से कभी कतराता हूँ, ना आप लोग से कभी मिलता हूँ. तो I've never let anybody believe that I'm not fond of being here. Yes, the biggest difference is, which I would like to clarify, a lot of people feel it's subjective that I've chosen not to be. आप ये भी देखिए कि मैं पिछले 3 साल से कंटिन्यूसली काम कर रहा था. मैंने बीच में रोज तो हुआ था दिसंबर में, मैंने जनवरी में छुट्टी भी ली थी, तो मैं कुछ दिन के लिए चले गया था बाहर. उस वजह से लोगों को लगता है अरे ये नहीं बात करना चाहते. मैं था ही नहीं तो बात कैसे करूँगा. जब था वापस आया, बल्लापुर लगी थी तो बाहर आ गया था.
Thank you.
इस वक्त फ्यूचर प्लान है कि ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस खत्म करूँ, फिर जो मेरे इंटरव्यूज है वो खत्म करूँ और जाकर घर पे अपने बहन को जाके मिलूँ बस.
Okay, no more questions, please. Sorry, please, no more questions.
आप माइक, आपको माइक लाना चाहिए था ना. पूछिए.
I wanted to know, अभी कुछ वक्त पहले निर्भया में जो एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री BBC ने एयर की थी, उसको लेके काफी बवाल हुआ था. पार्लियामेंट में बोला गया था एयर नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. इंडिया की जो छवि बाहर दिखाई दे रही है.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to cut you on this question. No, let's take it to WWF and no, I'm sorry, please. It's a WWF event.
That's okay. That's also something related to it.
Okay. Just to put it into perspective, again, आपने जो सवाल पूछा, I don't want to get into details because we're here for another cause at this point. They have to be comfortable with me speaking as well. Simply put, I think one documentary is not a reflection of the country or the mindsets. It is a way of us realizing that there are people in society across the world that exist like this. I've not seen the documentary because it got banned before I could get a chance to see it, so it would be very unfair on my part to comment. But again, like I said, it's opinion and point of view and debate and discussion. If something good comes out of this, then I think it's fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's a documentary at the end of the day. I don't think we should make it about anything else but what they're trying to say. It's not about India, it's about what's happened to that poor girl at the end of the day. People are forgetting that. it can happen to anybody. So I think we should keep that woman, that girl in mind before we get into this national larger debate of things as well.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. I would like to thank ITC Maratha for the gracious hospitality, our partners who have extended their support to this campaign, our national brand ambassador Arjun Kapoor for his belief in Eartha and his continued ongoing support. Extend my thank you to the members of media that are present here today. Thank you.